Today I'm gonna be doing another ceiling fan demonstration. This here, I'm pretty sure is a Aloha breeze hugger. It's light. Okay, now on low. So this is like the one of two Aloha breeze hugger ceiling fans. There's also one downstairs in the basement, which I've already done the full demonstration of that one. Now I'm doing full demonstration of this one. Yeah, it's got a fast fan. Hey, the downstairs Aloha breeze hums a lot. Like that one buzzes like crazy. This here one's more quiet though. Ceiling is more quiet than the one downstairs. It also has its glow. I'm not sure about that's the original light glow. I think it is. There's a slight hum to it. It's high. Yeah, it had it run high originally. Slight low. It's got a loose light socket too. Let's see it feel next. Like loose is top view. It didn't do for the downstairs fan like it did a year ago from now. And thanks for watching.